If you're serious about finding your dream home, let's make it happen. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here and ready to see more new construction properties around Atlanta. If you're considering purchasing a property, I advise you to be on alert now as interest rates are climbing. The great thing about new construction, builders are offering huge incentives. So if you're ready, reach out to me so that I can get you home. Also, I'll be posting more weekly tours, so don't forget to click that subscribe button. The snow just wrapped up, and today I'm viewing this beautiful 4-bed and 3-bath home nestled in McDonough, Georgia. It's over 2,200 square feet and sits on 1.5 acres. This ranch floor plan has ample entertaining space with a finished bonus space or a 4th bedroom completed with a full bath upstairs. I also want to mention the shared access point for this home and 2 other neighboring properties. While it fosters a sense of community, trust me when I say the yard space is still incredible. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you're ready to hit the ground running, click the link in the description to get started. Talk soon.